Ladies and gentlemen, eyes up. All bets are off now. This is Count It In. How many possible 642 lotto combinations are there? Now, this type of problem is a common real-life situation that involves the idea of combinations, because if you don't know what 642 is, there are 42 numbers that each of the bettors should choose. So that starts with 01 until 42. Any 6 of them, you just simply bet on it, and if they would miraculously picked, then they will win a certain prize, so millions of pesos. So we have here 642. It doesn't matter now the arrangements, because if you started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, just an example, and if the result and on the draw would be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, it's just the same combination and you still won. You still win the said lotto draw. That would mean this is under combination. And let's see about the number of possibilities that a bettor could try if he or she would really like to win. How many bets, how many combination he or she should bet for him or her to win. So we have here this combination formula NCR. Our N here would be the number of numbers for our lotto draw. That's 42. So we still have other types of lotto, 645, 655. So imagine the number of combinations even higher than the answer that we will get here. So we will take 6 at a time. So we simply need to plug it here. So you will have the result, or this formula, N factorial over, you will have here N minus R factorial times R factorial here, where our N is given to be 42. That's 42 numbers. Then you will have here 42 minus 6. You will have your factorial times 6 factorial here. Let me place it here so I could write it carefully. By the way, this is 42 factorial. So we have 42 factorial here divided by, you have 36 factorial times 6 factorial. Before we proceed to that, let's have the idea of factorial, as this is actually the condensed way of writing products of integers 1 to n. So you have n times n minus 1 in reverse order times n minus 2 until you reach 1. This would mean that our 42 factorial can be written like this: 42 times, you have 41 times, you'll have 40 until 1. So it may be a little bit longer, but I have something to do here because I have 36 factorial at the denominator. So let me use this times 37, then times, let me have 36 factorial here. I could do that until 1, but since I have a denominator of 36 factorial here, I could simply cancel them because they are under multiplication. What I have here on the denominator is just simply 6 factorial. Now 6 factorial here, let's just say I'm not using any calculator. So 6 factorial here is just a result of multiplying 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Again, no need to worry if you are using calculator. Even you could try this 42 C6 in your calculator. You will get automatically the answer. I'm just presenting here the process if you're not using your calculator, and I'm going to talk about it in this manner. I have 5 times 4 here, which is 20, right? Times 2, that's 40. Again, 5 times 4 is equal to 20 times 2, 40. I could cancel this. Now I'm gonna cancel 5, 4, and 2 here. Of course, 1 is just as easy as it can be. Now I have 6 times 3. That's 18. Okay, but I could have 6 with here 42. So 40 divided by 6, I have 7 here. Okay, so I could cancel 6. And 3 is somewhere here, and 39. That's 13 here. Okay, I'm doing this so that the entire denominator will be removed, leaving 1, so that I don't have any fractional process here, or I could simply input them on the calculator at once, leaving my entire numerator simply 7 times 41. I removed 40 already. The 39 becomes 13, and then I still have 38, and I still have 37. Again, 7 is left to 42 because I removed 6. 41 is still here. 40 was cancelled because of 5 times 4 times 2. And for 39, I divide to 3, leaving 13, then 38 times 37. The total number of 642 lotto combinations, if you would really like to try betting and all, you will have 5,245,786 combinations. Now, if you would like to win, you'll be betting on all of these 5 million or plus combinations. And imagine how much would be a certain ticket. I don't know if it's 20, 24, or 25. You multiply with that. You will be spending that amount to win your 642 Lotto prize. But this time, this is the answer for this combination problem, and that's count it in. Talking about getting the luck of the draw. For all in, subscribe now.